Hi friends, let us solve a nice problem. We have three variables here, x plus y plus z equals 2 and 2xy minus z square equals 4. But nothing to worry, this is a straightforward problem only. Let us express z in terms of x and y and then substitute that so that we get one equation in terms of x and y and see where we go. Right. So z equals 2 minus x minus y, right, from this equation. Z equals. And what is z square then? Z square is 2 minus x minus y whole square. Let us substitute this z square in the second equation. Right. So z square, if we expand, a plus b plus c whole square, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc plus 2ca. That is 4 square plus x square plus y square. Then 2ab, 2 times minus x minus 4x, 2, 2 times minus y, which is minus 4y, and 2 times minus x times minus y, which is plus 2xy. Right. So this is a plus b plus c whole square. And we have 2xy minus this equals should be 4. Right. This 2xy and this 2xy will get cancelled. And there's a minus outside. So we'll be left with minus 4 minus x square minus y square plus 4x plus 4y equals 4. Let us take all the left side to the right side. Then we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. This 4 will remain and this minus 4 will become plus 4. So we have, if you see, there's a nice set of quadratic equations here. X square minus 4x plus 4 and y square minus 4y plus 4. Right, nice set of perfect squares we have. What is this? X square minus 4x plus 4. That is x minus 2 whole square. Plus y square minus 4y plus 4. That is y minus 2 whole square. We have set of two squares. Squares cannot be negative. These two are always positive. Either positive greater than or equal to 0. They cannot be negative, right? Both of this. And the sum is 0. What does that mean? Each of these two should be individually 0. That means x equals 2 and y equals 2. And what is our x plus y plus z? X plus y plus z equals 2. That means 2 plus 2 plus z equals 2. So z equals minus 2. These are the solutions. Right, guys? This is such an easy problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.